So what does doing video right mean? Video done right achieves certain things for you and your business and your brand. First off, it grows your brand equity. It builds this reciprocity because you're providing so much value, so much awesomeness to the community that they feel like, of course, that they have to use you when it's time. It might not be today, might be in 6 months, it might be in a year, but you're building this equity and this feeling of reciprocity around what you're doing. Video done right will also build that kind of know, like, and trust factor with your audience. You've probably all heard of, right? And we're going to talk about actually moving to like the whole buyer process, but you want to be building know, like, and trust with your audience. So that's why I always tell my story. I hate telling it. I'll be quite honest with you. I always try to tell personal stories, even though it's not my nature, because that's part of it. And if they don't like it, and if they hate the story, then they're not going to like working with me probably. Video done right organically builds an audience in which it is your obligation to serve. It's not an audience to sell to. You will sell to them sometimes, but that's not the intention. Your intention should be to serve if you want to do video right. Video done right actually transforms your life work, all of that experience, whether it's in work or life or whatever it is, transforms your life work into your legacy. That legacy that you can be proud of, that you can show anyone for all of time, and that catapults you into that thought leadership category in your industry. That's when you know video is being done right. Now, video done right works better than any image, audiogram, podcast appearance, keynote, PR feature that you could possibly imagine getting when done right. But here's my favorite part about video done right. It's an evergreen asset that you can use again and again and again and again. And then you can take that video and you can 2x it and 10x it and 100x it. And if you have a system or a process to repurpose, multiply, and create videos at scale, you create this true omnipresence or perceived omnipresence because you can't be everywhere all the time. And the busier you get, you can't be omnipresent. You create that for yourself, a perceived level of omnipresence.